Have you dreamt of one day owning a home surrounded by the beauty of countryside living? And has it been a dream to maybe own a home situated on some beautiful acreage, maybe have that additional garage for extra storage, toys, and/or hobbies? If so, then I think we've listed the perfect property for you. Come and take a look. Welcome to this stunning 3,200 square foot rambler set on 2.5 picturesque acres. This home offers the perfect blend of indoor and outdoor space, ideal for those seeking a comfortable and entertaining lifestyle. Car enthusiasts and/or hobbyists will love the attached garage with epoxy floors, insulation, and in-floor heating, providing you with a warm and functional space all year round. Plus, the detached garage provides ample space for all your toys and projects. Inside the home, you'll find an open floor plan offering all the space and comfort you've been looking for, with 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a bright and sunny 4-season porch that fills the home with lots of natural light. You'll also appreciate the convenience of main floor laundry and the elegance of hardwood floors, paneled doors, and vaulted ceilings. Downstairs is an entertainer's dream. The large family recreational room comes complete with an inviting wet bar and fridge, perfect for hosting an array of gatherings. You no longer have to dream about owning a property like this. You can make it a reality, and it would be our pleasure to schedule a private showing for you to tour this beautiful home.